You log into Boston Beyond Partner Portal, the same place you log in for attendance, SayWhy, SayOT, or any survey links. You should now see your school year and summer programs on here. You can click on the Boost tab, which features three things. First, how to manage applications. Second, an export of all applications. And third, a way to manage your notification preferences about applications that have come into your program. I'm going to follow the instructions to review applications. Click on Programs. Click on the one program that you're interested in reviewing the application for, and look at Application Summary. You will see how many students the application need review, how many students were accepted, and a link to view the entire list. Also, an exportable list as well. I'm going to click on View Applications for now. These are all the students who applied to your program and their statuses. There's also an indication of siblings who applied to the program. You can filter by status or sort by column. But the thing you need to act on is the submitted students. These are students who applied, but nobody in your program has responded. Importantly, if you remember, each Guardian ranked programs from 1 to 3, and that students will only appear in the program if they're ranked 1. If that program declines a student, then they may appear in the second choice. There's no automatic decline, but Boston Beyond M&I team will be monitoring if any applications go unresponded for more than 1 week, and will be emailing or calling you to make sure you respond.